say, to the girl that make her ears coming out of time for waste. Yo, engineer, tell them mine look more now. Yeah, tell them look more. Ooh, hey yo, tell them something on my voice, I smooth it out. Classy, I try class, man. I mean, Sham get phone.
Yeah, it's a long time I know you, you know. And the first person there with that phone, you know. You know me I deal with.
So what that mean? When I live my life to prove to you what me have or not. You hear me right now, I'm up on my life, you know. I disturb my thing. Little more.
Yo, he's a superstar. I love seeing way, you know. Saying.
Go and hold it down now. Bless. Yo, the brother start watch out my thing, you know. It's like me need to move out from me as a star or build a big wall and block him out. Yeah, like we need to block out someone right now, kind of come like I want to style my thing. All I want to say, Carrot, you need to fix up your place. Eh? You need to fix up your face. You need to have the profile picture black. Big up yourself, sexy Michelle, you don't know. Up top. Yeah, what I want to say now, Carrot, when I shoot the next episode? Right now, we are going to the restaurant and go eat some food and so I go on, you don't know. Yeah. And some little fool in and still want to play Karachi. Alright, I say nothing. Alright. Black. Yeah, whatever. Black. Black. You too. Black.
Hey, Carrot. Don't make me find out say a selfie out there take, you know. Tell her which part you get phone from now.
If a selfie me I take, which part me get phone? Are them things that you want to know? Well, if you really want to know about things, me have bigger things can reveal, you know. So anytime you ready to rope in, I'ma fill you in. So me I deal it.
You go on, it's alright. Me no want to know nothing more. Me talk to you later, Carrot.
Yeah, so you go on. Say all you, Sanja. Anytime it get real and you kick up hill, them say long run. But a short catch when the money come, don't. You go on until me put it on the car and get Carrot list, you see me? Yo, and the sister, the whole like girl them love off Carrot, right? It's like them can't get enough of the superstar, you know me I say? All the fool I say now. I'm named Bigger Frost. I'm more like Frigga Frost, but no girl don't want to see me. Watch this. Black. Go on there, Richie. That for boy like you. All you too. You never have no profile picture, you don't get no voice. Black. Yeah. Who this now? Miss LT underscore body. Yeah, profile picture look nice. I say you want to come cook for me. What you mean? Slide night DM no? You don't know. Yeah, I know I'm ugly, but I'm confidently handsome. What about you? I don't go block you, you know, but what? Go live. Go live right now, man. The people let me see what you look like. I bet you don't go live. I bet you don't go live. Go live. Accept me live. Go live. Yeah, that me the thing, you not go live. You just want to run off your mouth in the darkness. You never have a profile picture for yourself. Bob Marley dead all long now, I me have for your profile picture. Black. Yo, telling all the while, you know. Carrot is for the girl them ears and for the woman them eyes. You see me? I don't know some man I pre the energy and I show respect. I respect all of them youth that I show respect, you see me? Even though Carrot for the woman them. You see me I say? As long as they stand here, I respect my thing and I go on like you want to style my thing. It's all good, you see me? But I always some like man and on a profile picture I start disrespect my thing like that one here. Black. Back up. Look at all that boy. I third time I block the boy and every time I block the boy make a next page and come back and say the same thing. But you know what? I'm not going to block you. Because I come like a that here drive off. You live for me block you. And I'm not going to block you that time. I make you go and stay and bask in your foolishness. You see me? Big up yourself, sexy Paula. But you hear me? The same time I'm on my life a discipline a fool. I know you come tell me about cool. You see me? Cause no boy enough to come for my life come style me. You see me? Straight. I not tolerate it. No farmer styling. Oh, you say, boy? Ask your mother. Hold on for this. Black. Blow, wow. Victor Ranks not the place. Where's the producer? Yo, man, come link your studio, you know. I have a brand new tune for you now. Number 1. For the girl them ears and the woman them eyes. So it name, see me I deal it. Yo, man, damn you look more. See? Yeah, man, go and hold it down. Big up. CSB9s. Oh, them youth are some official UK youth, you know. Yo, me say I go on in the whole heap of things, my general. Go on do your thing. But all I go on still there for come in, come link your auntie. A long time they don't come my yard. What you deal with? Oh, you know me really company life, I have to tell you, know. Yeah. Yo, like me down I market per day, you know. I mean I tell you say I deal with a virgin and kind of looking at distance, I mean I tell you say I swear say I see the hunchback brother, you know. You remember the hunchback brother? Yeah, I see the hunchback. I mean I say, yo, my youth, hold on there. I'm kind of go close and I said, man, watch brother, but I can't see him face. And I said, brother, I see from behind me, like, from behind him kind of favor him, you know me, I say, no, brother, you know, brother really look attention. I'm telling you, I'm not black, you know, I'm going to go and stay and bask and you fuck with. But you get from bad to worse. A time for you go. Go and go build the next Instagram page, because I want you, as of now, black. Yeah, go on where you go. Yeah, what man I say? Oh yeah, the one hunch. So like yeah, I see him from the back, you know, I never really see him face, so I kind of screech down a little closer and I say, yo, hunch. I see him look round. And by the time him look round, a man walk in front of me. So when the man move in front of me, him disappear, virgin, like about a second. Do you know? I know say I see, you know, so he's either I escape out of prison, or I'm let him out. So me I deal it, so I have to look out for that like a idiot there. How this one go live? R_G_H. Baby, a profile picture look hot. What you want go live with Carrot? Let me see now. But I'm gonna trust the name there, you know. Hold on. Boy, I get a bad feeling about the one there, you know. Alright, see, accept live. Boy, I know I regret this, you know. Go live now. How you wait, man? Let me see if I really own the profile picture. Accept the live now, you wait, man. You say you want to go live, you know. Yo, them things I can't take, you know. People are playing for my live. I'll give you 5 seconds. And see if you don't go live, I'm going to assume say you're a fraud and just block you. Accept the live. 1, 2, 3. Yo, my girl, no. You can't look so hot by your profile picture and want to come do my life in the darkness. Joke thing that. I hang up on you. No. Yo, you hear me? It's creepy. You come by my life in the darkness and you giggle like you're dopey. Yo, me give you 3 seconds turn the light and I'm going to just block you. 1, 2. Come and never know what kind of name that. R_G_H. Yo, I'ma block you. 1, 2, 3. It mean Ram Good Head. Yo, what the ass? Yo, back up. Blocked. Yo, not say how that. Yo, here, me link on the back. Look more.